Today we are going to understand about the time management and the configuration of public holiday calendar, work schedule and break schedule. So let's understand about the time management. So zero value of the time management is no time evaluation. One value for the time management is actual time. Two is for PDC time evaluation. 7 is for time evaluation without payroll integration. 8 is for external services and 9 is for time evaluation of planned time. So let's understand about the codes and the absence type, counting rule, deduction rule and absence quota. So these are the total leaves what we get. This is the casual leave, this is the sick leaves and this is the earned leaves. So absence type will be casual leaves, sick leaves and earned leaves. So counting rule will be for casual will be 42, deduction will be 42, absence quota will be 42. For sick leaves there will be 43, 43, 43. Earned leaves will be 44, 44 and 44 respectively. So let's understand about the time constraint. So no gaps or no overlapping. So time constraint 1 is no gaps, no overlapping, wherein IT 08 no same name, date, salaries in the same month can be entered. So time constraint number 2 is no gaps but overlapping can be done. In IT 21 spouse recorded can be created. A spouse record can be created or edited with delimiting the previous record. In time constraint 3 is gaps and overlapping can be done. So two bonus records can be created or two children records can be created on the same data. So these are the three time constraints available in the system, and the absence type counting rule and the time evaluation values. So let's understand. Let's configure our holiday calendar, public holiday calendar. So for this we will start with, as always, SPRO, then reference IMG, then we will go to time management, then we will go to work schedule and define public holiday classes. Okay, so let's do the configurations of public holidays. We will, so let's create, change, create. Okay, so let's see the holiday calendar first. So let's create our holiday calendar. So here also this is numerical and alphabetical and alphanumerical. So let's see what series we are available with, and accordingly we will create our calendar. So let's take A1. Yeah, so let's create our holiday calendar and ID will be A1 silver scale calendar and assign holidays. So let's assign the holidays. So for this we have to create our public calendar first. This is holiday calendar, so let's exit and create our public holiday calendar. Let's create this. So let's create a fixed date holiday calendar first, like 26th January, 15th August, 2nd of October. And floating. Okay, so let's understand about the fixed holiday calendar and floating holiday calendar. So sort key, we have to understand. Sort key is the series or sequence given what we are available with. So let's see A1 is available or not, and accordingly we will. So this can be numerical, alphanumerical, alphabetical. So AR1 is there. So let's take AA1 or maybe SS. Let's take SS1. So let's see whether the S series is available or not, and accordingly we can do the configuration. So I think SS is available. We'll take SS and we will create. So let's create a fixed holiday calendar first. Fixed holiday calendar is, let's understand first about the difference between fixed holiday calendars and the floating holiday calendars. So fixed holiday calendars is like 2nd of Jan, those the holidays of the year in the year which are fixed, like which comes on the fixed or a particular date every year, like 26th of January in India. It depends on country to country. So in India, let's um, see about India. So it's 26th January, that is Republic Day, 15th August, Independence Day, 2nd of October, Gandhi Jayanti. So these kind of holidays are like government holidays, you can say, which are fixed government holidays. So these are the holidays. So day is, month is January, day is 26th, class. This is the ordinary public holiday, right? Holiday name is Republic Day. Republic Day. So let's create. Yeah. So there are a number of holidays created here. Let's create another. Day is 15th, month is August, sort criterion is SS, public holiday classes, partner republic, this. This is independence. This is IND, day, that is Independence Day. Independence Day. So this is created. Okay, so let's create one more, a floating holiday. So a floating public holiday would be 14th 2025, 25, month is 01, day is let's insert a date. Okay, SS Sankrant. Yeah, holiday classes. This is not a public holiday, so let's take up not a public holiday, and Let's suppose the day is Tuesday. Okay, so let's see which day. Okay, let's cancel and create it again. 2025 month is 01 days Tuesday. Sankranti. So create. This is created. So we'll go back. We'll go to the holiday calendar. We'll create our calendar ID will be SS. So calendar valid from 2023. Let's take 24 to 28 depending on our organization. Let's see. So Sankranti. Yeah. Okay, so we have to assign it. So let's check Sankranti SS assign. No public holiday was assigned. Okay. So okay, so this is the public holiday. Let's take this is a floating one. So okay, so now in this we have to give the public holiday, that's the government holidays, what we fixed holidays, right? So this is two public holidays. So this is again we will do and we will assign our holiday again. Let's check whether we are able to do it. Yes, so this. Okay, so now select both of them, valid from 2024 to 28. To 28, and we will save it, and the data was saved. So our ID is SS. So let's save this. Let's go back. Now factory calendar is calendar like floating holidays. You can actually do this into this. Okay, so now let's create the work schedule. We will go to daily work schedule. Country is India. So let's select from here. And here we will create our work schedule. So this is okay. I think the screen is locked. So let's create our work schedule. Yeah, so let's create a work schedule here. Let's see again which new entries. Country grouping is 40. Period work schedule will be SSW. SSW. Number of week, let's say 4. Daily work schedule is 5, or we can select from here. Yeah. So as we have taken 4 weeks, we will take weeks here. Accordingly, the configuration goes, and we will save this. Please sort the sequential number in ascending order. Okay, let's check what error we have faced and what where we are going wrong. So okay, so this is number of week. Okay, so let's take new entry again. This is the grouping, right? Country grouping. See, E40 we can see. Okay, so let's take 40 again. 40. Let's take 7. No, we will take copy, paste, paste, paste. We will. So we have to do it in the ascending order. So where we are going wrong, let's see again. In ascending order, they are asking us groupings. So let's take 5 again. Let's take 04. Let's take 04. Okay. Let's take 04. 04. It's a normal shift. Okay. So let's take a normal shift from 8 to 5. We'll take it and copy, paste, and let's save this. Okay. Let's take this shift or normal shift and copy, paste, paste, paste. In this case, if the daily work schedule is not created, then this might happen. So let's create first daily work schedule. Okay, PS grouping, this is PS grouping, and 40 databases, 40 daily. Okay. Okay, so for PS grouping is, let's create a PS group. Before that, let's create a work schedule. India. It's personal area. Okay, so this is for one of my testing phase. So let's take this as a personal area first, and let's create a work schedule. Table enter. PS group is 40. PS group is 40. And I will save this. Okay, so this is done. Now let's go back. Personal sub-area grouping. Let's create PS 40. Let's save this. Already exists with the same key, so let's change our key. Let's take it. Let's take 10 and 40. Let's see whether this is already taken. So let's check which numbers are available and accordingly we will take it. So 10 is available, 20. 50 number is not taken. Let's take 50. New entry. 50. 50. Let's save this. Okay, so let's create a break schedule. This is 40. Let's create with 50 new entries. Grouping will be 50. Break will be break. First we'll check what values have been taken, otherwise we will be not able to save this. So let's go back. Let's take mid and lunch. Let's take lunch and mid. So okay, we'll take only one. So let's take group 50. Break will be lunch. Number start 14. 2 बजे लंच होगा and 3 बजे ठीक है. This is let's save this. Okay, so our break schedule is also saved, and in next video we will understand how to do the configuration for the daily work schedules, and we will do the configuration for absence quota types. Thank you so much.